Welcome in the Restras Mathematical Forum. Today, let us discuss about the problem which is asked in CSIR Net November 2017 and weightage is 4175. Okay, C part problem where more than one option can be true. Okay, now let us go on the problem. What does this problem say? Consider the following polynomial. Consider the following polynomial f of x, which is just a quadratic polynomial. Okay. Now that is asked which of the following is are true. Okay. Is f is irreducible over this ring or not? Is f is irreducible over the rational ring or not? Okay. If f is reducible over is f is irreducible over this ring or not. Okay, we are asked about the problem. Okay, solving problem should not be target. Okay, try to approach try to approach logically. Okay, so I always start the problem how to think okay. Now my polynomial is x square plus 3x minus 1. Okay, option first says that f is irreducible over z root 13. Okay, since we know that we have a rule for in order to check about the irreducibility of any polynomial over q. Okay, please, if I hope you know about the irreducible criteria over rational ring which is same as the integral ring. Okay, there is if and only if condition between them, and since we know that in order to talk about the irreducibility of the certain polynomial over the rational ring, same as the irreducibility by the mod p test, mod p irreducibility test. Okay, if you have a polynomial and there exists some prime number such that corresponds to that prime number, there exists some ring which is called zp. Okay, such that if reduce the coefficient of the polynomial over zp. Okay, after reducing the polynomial, okay, my coming polynomial, if the degree of the coming polynomial after reducing the coefficient same as the parental polynomial, okay, same, then if f is irreducible over zp implies that f must be irreducible over q, but the converse is false. Irreducibility over the rational ring would not imply the irreducibility over any zp. Okay, so please, if you don't know, please go there first and come back. Okay, and do that. So it's just irreducibility over q. So for the sake of easiness, let me choose p equal to, okay, over z2. Okay, and my polynomial is what? My polynomial is f of x equal x square plus 3x minus 2, and after reducing the polynomial I will get x square plus x minus 1. Okay, clearly degree of this polynomial is same as the parental polynomial. Okay, degree is same as the parental polynomial is 2, and my after reducing the coefficient also get 2. Okay, since this polynomial is irreducible over z2, which implies that f of x equal x square plus 3x minus 1 is irreducible polynomial over rational ring. Okay, hence my option second is going to be true. Okay, now let us go on option third. F is reducible over q root 13 and irreducible over z root 13. Okay, since we have not particular result regarding this rings, okay, rational over root 13 and integral over root 13. Okay, for this we go on the root, and I let it for you as an exercise. Okay, find out the root. If the root are the rationals, okay, then the polynomial is reducible. If the root are integral, then this polynomial is reducible over z root 13 as well. Okay, I let it you for the exercise. If you don't able to do, I hope you will be able. If you just, that is a very basic work. Okay, now with the twisting the time, let us go on the option 4, which is just a dummy option. Okay, and this one of the most easy question asked in the modern algebra section, I think. The only problem of confusing in this problem is only option 3rd and option 1, where examiner talks about the integral and the rational ring over root 13. Okay, please find the roots. If the roots are rational one, in that case, okay, please decide that. Okay, and think, if I will solve here, you will not practice that. Okay, so I don't do this. I want your practice. Please do that. If you don't able, please comment and I will make another video for that. Okay, let us go on the 4th option. It's just a dummy option. Okay, since we know that z, since it's just a fact. Okay, just a fact, z over some number, let me call that n. Okay, whichever n you choose, z root n never be UFD except at 1. Okay, except n, for every n greater than or equal to 2, this is not UFD. Okay, whichever n you choose. Okay, except at n equal 1. That at n equal 1, it's just a integral ring, which is a unique factorization domain. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Please share as much as you can, and I will solve each question of modern algebra, and then I will go on the real analysis. Similarly, I will go to the linear or the complex. Please share as much as you can and press the bell icon in order to get the notification of coming video. Okay, please try yourself for option 1st and 3rd. I keep it you for the exercise, and I also provide the hint for you. Okay, I also provide the hint. Please do that. Okay, it's just the work of 10 seconds, and I don't want to solve each thing. I want to homework for you. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.